you know who the sauciest dude out here is? Nah, bro. Who? It gotta be this dude, Wonder Dawn.
Wow. Yo! Ten out of 10. Oh my god, these busts. Yo. Yo, this is mad good, yo. I'm proud of myself, no bully. Like, this is mad good. Some a little chicken bacon ranch quesadilla. Like, it's like a taco, but only, like, you feel me, because the quesadilla wasn't, like, the tortilla wasn't big enough to make it into a quesadilla. Like, I knew I had tortillas at the crib, but I didn't realize that they were going to be so small, so that's why when I was out the store, I didn't pick up bigger ones, but mad good. Mad good. I cheated a little bit. My mom made some chicken salad the other day, so that's what the chicken that I used, but wow, this is mad good, yo. I'm definitely making this another time. Like, this is actually fire. Oh. It does this, bro. I'm telling y'all. I really do this cooking shit. Like, I'm real life nice with it. I don't know if I'm the only one, but as of lately, bro, I've been feeling like I've just been missing something. Like, I don't know what it is exactly. I really can't even put my finger on it either. I feel like I'm missing something. All I've been doing has just been going to work, going to school, going home. That's it. Like, yeah, I know we're in the middle of, like, a pandemic, but it's like, bro, I be trying to, like, do something, because it's like, staying at the crib all day, you be mad depressed, like, ain't nothing to do, and then going to work, like, you don't really want to be at work half of the time. Like, sometimes work be fun, but you be trying to go home. And y'all already know how school is, like, ain't no one on that, like, Yeah, I'm missing like something. Something needs to give, like something. Like I need to go out and travel or like I don't know, do something. Like I went to the mall today, try to have a little self-care day. Bought new clothes, a little something, like a little something, but it's like nah, bro. That's not really like it. Don't really do nothing to me, like for me. I don't know, bro. I just need like something. Gotta give. Something gotta give. Like this whole Corona thing, bro. I'm tired. I'm done. I'm done. Like I'm really done. And it's not even really the mask. Like I don't care about wearing no damn mask. Like whatever. But it's just like it's limited in like my life. Like bro, I turned 21 in July. I've literally been to a bar once, one time. Like I've literally only had one legal like that too. I've only had one legal drink, cause you feel me. There ain't nothing going on. Like, bro, time is slow. And honestly, I feel like I'm just missing fun. That's it, really. Like if I had some fun, like lined up or something like that, like a concert or like a sporting game or something like that. But nah, I just go to work, go to school, and then I'm at home. And I'm at home when I'm at school, so it's like, bro, I literally only leave my front door to go to work. That's not living, bro. That's not living at all. Like, at all. That's just, you feel me, getting by. That's some dumb shit. My dreads be getting in the way sometimes when I eat, and sometimes I'd be like you feel me, like I have this scrunchie right here, but I'd be forgetting to put it on my head. I'm not gonna really touch my hair right now anymore because my feel me, my hands is all greasy and all that. But yo, this is mad good. I don't care if I look ugly eating right now because I'm fucking this shit up. I should have grabbed a fork, but I'm drained. Like I really have no energy to do anything. Like at all. But for eating and all that, like who doesn't like to eat? If you don't like to eat, you make no sense. Honestly, if you don't like to eat, I just think it's because we really don't be eating good food. I eat like great food. See, you know what I mean? This dry right here got in the fucking plate. And now that got me sick. But there's no grease. What time is it? Damn. The days just be moving too. It's like, I don't even know, bro. Like, I feel like March was like yesterday, but it really was not. Like, it was just mad shit that just happened. Like, bro, like I feel like time is moving, but at the same time it's going slow. Like I don't know, bro. This life shit is really crazy. I look crazy eating this today, but I don't care. I'm on I don't give a fuck type vibes right now, so it is what it is. I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side, yo. Thank y'all for watching again. Be easy, more videos coming soon. Subscribe if you're new. You know what to do. Join the crew. On the Don signing out, y'all. Peace, guys. Be easy.